going down?
No. Go.
Yo. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I told you there's ghosts in the yeah. Say something.
Hi. It's me again. It's me again, and always me. So how is it today? Today we are changing side because it's too muddy there in the very side. So I think of a better place so you get used to. If you do the test, then you get used to changing place, so you're not feeling surprised anymore.
So you like this place, huh?
So we are here. Where is it? That's it.
That's it. Yeah.
That's it area. The track is a little bit smoother than the rear side, which is good. I don't know. I feel like the drums is a bit small, but they say it's all the size the same. But okay. But I try it. I try from both of sides. It's okay. Yeah. It's I'm feeling good, and then we're gonna try to start.
Okay.
Shall we?
Sure, yeah, of course.
Let's go.
You're ready? You're ready, I know.
Let's go.
Okay. Hello guys, once again welcome back with my new video today. Miss Nisha.
Yay!
Second day of driving. Today she will show us how to control the steering wheel with a professional way, of course.
What is this?
I like her way, how she controlling really the steering wheel. Can do the video only from one side, maybe from outside also. Yeah. You can sing?
Me?
Yeah.
I have a terrible voice.
You can sing song, any song.
What song?
Hmm?
No, I don't know how to sing. Good.
But I hear you when you are singing inside your.
How can? It's not possible like that.
Okay.
Yes. Straight.
Go. What is it? I hear something. Good.
Now we gonna try in another side on the left. Let's try to go straight in, getting into the drums. So let's see. Okay, going left. Okay. Okay. Stop. And back. Press. He made it! Yay!
Hey, very nice, huh?
So,
And Monday we go.
ready?
For test, yes.
You think? We go!
Yeah.
Wish me luck!
Good luck, inshallah. All right, guys, here we go. Guys, always a skydiver, you know, from the beginning, whatever is new driver or old driver, but this girl, Nisha, really she has excellent skies. I understand that some people are watching it, they will say, oh yeah, I think this girl used it to drive before. But guys, I am talking about how to skillfully control the steering wheel, because not all people can do that. I know. Even the driver who has a driving license, if you ride with him in the car, really you feel like you are flying from his car, because he cannot control his steering, you know. So you can know the driver from how he controlling the steering wheel. I give example. I will give you example. Even if you leave the chicken in the back seat of the car and you said, oh, this is the chicken, but it's not chicken, it's look like chicken because the chicken is flying.
We finish our today training, so where we go?
We go drink coffee.
Tea.
Yeah.
Tea.
Then turn to the signal left.
Yeah.
You drive very fast.
Huh?
You're driving very fast.
No. Why is it
But the good things you are controlling. Okay. So you know the coffee shop, right?
Yeah, I know. Rui, it's my home. Rui is my home. All this making friend with all the
Yeah.
gangster Rui. Call me.
That place you're staying, Al-Watiyah.
Wataya.
Rui is inside here.
Yeah.
But we call all the city Rui. Hamriya or Al-Watiyah. This is what you mean.
Yes.
Yeah, you can
This
before that.
24 hours.
Oh yeah.
Even people asleep, this tea place is open. Come here.
Yeah, I like this coffee. Nice. You can good barking, good turning. السلام عليكم. ناصر كيف الحال؟ امور الاخبار طيب؟ حياك الله.
Karak Zafran, small, 1,
2.
2, and then what is this bread is? And then what is this bread is?
Break. لولا.
No. This Mohat.
شكرا احسنت حبيبي. الله يخليك احسنت.
This
بريك؟
yeah, this bread, no?
مو في بريد موجود.
This has not bread. This is small. This small.